Another thing about accountability is B.A.C.K is kind of your accountability partner and can be, correct?
Yes. So on our Facebook page, I try to invite people to add on their goals and accomplishments in the page, get everyone talking, keep each other accountable, and I think that's a good place to start, because good to have a partner when it comes to saving and doing your goals, because you need someone to like tell you like
Push
where
you.
to go, and yeah, and it's lonely to do it by yourself.
It is. It's the same as working out or, you know, getting healthy. You want that person, you need that person there. You don't always want them there, but you need that person there to be like, hey, you're screwing up, don't do that. Hey, get up and go walk. Hey, you know, do those things, save that money. You know, not the person who's gonna say, come on, let's go out. Like, you don't need that money right now. Like, we're gonna have fun. Let's go drink our money away, you know? And not that it's bad to go out and have some drinks or go out to eat or anything, but I feel like recently I've realized more, if you pay attention to how much you pay when you go out to eat or go have drinks, you're literally drinking and eating your money.
It adds up so
and
fast
it can add up so quickly. So you want to have that on your budget as well. You want to be able to see. One of the things that Tabs told us is to write everything down that you spend and what you spend it on. I am horrible at that. I'm learning to practice what I preach, but it is a great idea because then you see how much you're spending a day and on what.
Think of all the subscriptions that, you know, Netflix, Hulu, they add up now. There's 20,000 different ones,
Oh my goodness.
you didn't know that you did a trial and it ended. And now it's charging you $10 a month. And how do you know? Because you're not keeping track of your expenses.
Exactly.